Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we got lettuce, tomato, some beautiful turkey, some bacon. This is some sourdough bread, and pasture-raised egg, and a little mayonnaise. Mike Foster here. Need to trim the beard, but other than that, everything's going well. And this is a club sandwich, but it's a fried egg club sandwich. Can you believe it? Well, it's exactly what I just said. I'm gonna put that egg together and make another killer diller fried egg sandwich recipe. Check it out. All right, the best way to start fried egg sandwich is what? Butter in the pan. Let's get that going. Let's get this beautiful pasture-raised egg down. Look how gorgeous the color of that yolk is. Awesome. A little pepper. That's it. All right, let's just check it out. You want it to cook evenly. You can see this one's a little gooier, so we're just gonna figure it out. All right, how are we doing? Ready for a little flip? There you go, shut it off. And I'll meet you at the counter to put this baby together. All right, let's put this bad boy together. Start with some mayonnaise. On both sides. Now that could have been better. Let's straighten that out. Spread it in. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beauty. Next comes the nice fresh turkey meat. That's perfect. It's a club sandwich. You know what I'm talking about. Now tomatoes on this side. Oh yeah. Do you see it? Of course you do. A little more mayo here. A little more mayo here. That's a perfect base for this lettuce right here. All right. Don't forget the bacon. Who would? Put that right here. Oh, I think I have enough for a... theft. All right. There's the fried egg that makes it killer. Slide that baby right here. Still gooey. The old flipperoo. Oh my God, that's a big sandwich. Look at that mess. Let's center it. The presseroo. Here's the old sliceroo. Here's the reveal of the fried egg club sandwich. Let's get a close-up of that. There's the close-up of the fried egg club sandwich. Does it look as good as it tastes? Or should I say, does it taste as good as it looks? We're going to find out in 1 second. Have another close-up. Now how about a big killer Foster bite? I'm ready. Check it out. It's all coming in there. I got the crispiness of the bacon. I got the creaminess of that egg and the mayo. I taste the lettuce. What's left? The bread and the turkey. Sweet Bible. You know, Mike Foster's the Sandwich King, the fried egg sandwich king, and I make a fried egg sandwich out of just about anything, and I did it with a club sandwich. Killer Diller, check this out and check out all my videos at Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. And tell everybody about Live Life 365 and keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Let me finish the video. Wow. That was good. A lot of crazy things going on. Need a haircut. Need to trim my beard. Other than that, baba.